Kombucha has garnered significant attention in recent years as a trendy health beverage, but its roots trace back centuries to ancient China, Japan, and Korea. This fermented tea has been cherished not only for its unique taste but also for its numerous health benefits. Let's dive into what kombucha is, its ingredients, the parts of the body it benefits, and its historical significance in East Asian cultures. What is kombucha? Kombucha is a fermented tea beverage known for its slightly tangy, fizzy flavor. It is made by fermenting sweetened tea with a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, SCOBY. The fermentation process transforms the tea into a drink rich in probiotics, vitamins, and enzymes. The origins of kombucha are believed to date back to 220 BC in northeast China, where it was prized for its detoxifying and energizing properties. Ingredients of kombucha. The primary ingredients of kombucha are quite simple. 1. Tea. Typically, black or green tea is used, but other varieties can also be employed. Tea provides the base and the necessary nutrients for the fermentation process. 2. Sugar. Sugar is essential for fermentation, serving as food for the yeast and bacteria. By the end of fermentation, most of the sugar is converted into other compounds. 3. SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. This is the living culture that facilitates the fermentation process. It looks like a gelatinous, rubbery disc and contains various bacteria and yeast strains. 4. Water. Filtered water is crucial to avoid contaminants that could hinder fermentation. Additional ingredients like fruits, herbs, and spices can be added post-fermentation to enhance flavor and nutritional value. Health benefits of kombucha. Kombucha has been associated with various health benefits, owing to its rich composition of probiotics, antioxidants, and organic acids. Here's a closer look at how it benefits different parts of the body. 1. Digestive health. Kombucha is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. These probiotics can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and alleviate conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. The presence of acetic acid and other compounds can also inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut. 2. Immune system support. The antioxidants present in kombucha, especially when made from green tea, can help strengthen the immune system by combating free radicals. Additionally, the probiotics can enhance immune function by promoting a healthy gut flora, which plays a crucial role in the body's defense mechanisms. 3. Detoxification. Kombucha contains glucuronic acid, a compound that binds to toxins and helps eliminate them from the body. This detoxifying property can support liver function and overall detoxification processes in the body. 4. Joint health. Kombucha is rich in glucosamines, which are compounds known to improve joint health by promoting the production of high uronic acid. This can help maintain joint lubrication and reduce pain associated with arthritis. 5. Mental health. The B vitamins present in kombucha, including B1, thiamine, B6, and B12, are known to improve mood, boost energy levels, and enhance mental clarity. Additionally, the gut-brain connection means that a healthy gut can contribute to better mental health and reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. 6. Heart health. Some studies suggest that kombucha can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. The antioxidants and polyphenols in kombucha may reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. Historical significance in China, Japan, and Korea. Kombucha has a rich history in East Asian cultures, where it has been consumed for centuries. 1. China. Kombucha, known as the tea of immortality, originated in northeast China around 220 BC. It was highly valued for its medicinal properties, and was believed to provide energy and detoxify the body. The ancient Chinese recognized the health benefits of fermented foods and beverages, and kombucha was no exception. 2. Japan. Kombucha made its way to Japan around 414 AD. It is believed that a Korean physician named Kombu introduced the tea to the Japanese Emperor Inyoko, who named it kombucha after the doctor. In Japan, kombucha was revered for its health benefits and consumed by samurais for its energizing properties. 3. Korea. In Korea, kombucha has been consumed for centuries as part of the tradition of fermented foods, which are integral to Korean cuisine. Known for its health-promoting properties, kombucha was enjoyed for its ability to aid digestion and support overall health. Modern-day popularity. In recent decades, kombucha has experienced a resurgence in popularity worldwide, particularly in the West. Its unique flavor and health benefits have attracted a large following, and it is now widely available in health food stores, supermarkets, and cafes. The modern production of kombucha often involves various flavors and formulations, catering to diverse taste preferences and dietary needs. How to make kombucha at home. Making kombucha at home is relatively straightforward. Here's a basic recipe. 1. Ingredients: 4 cups water, 1 cup sugar, 4 tea bags, black or green tea, 8 cups cold water, 1 cup starter tea, plain kombucha from a previous batch or store-bought, 1 SCOBY. 2. Instructions: boil 4 cups of water and dissolve the sugar in it. Add the tea bags and steep until the water cools. Remove the tea bags and pour the tea into a large glass jar. Add 8 cups of cold water and the starter tea to the jar. Gently place the SCOBY into the jar. Cover the jar with a clean cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Let the mixture ferment in a warm, dark place for 7 to 14 days, tasting it periodically until it reaches the desired flavor. Once fermented, remove the SCOBY and 1 cup of kombucha to use as a starter for the next batch. Bottle the kombucha and refrigerate. You can add flavors like fruit or herbs before bottling if desired. Conclusion: kombucha is more than just a trendy beverage, it is a drink with deep historical roots and numerous health benefits. From aiding digestion to supporting mental health, this fermented tea offers a holistic approach to wellness. With its rich history in China, Japan, and Korea, kombucha continues to be a valuable part of many people's diets, celebrated for its natural health-promoting properties. As interest in natural and fermented foods grows, kombucha's popularity is likely to keep rising, making it a staple in health-conscious communities around the world. Please click the link below for more healthy tips. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.